Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Jeff with Terrain 4x4 Adventures. I'm super excited today to come to you and show you our latest upgrade, our latest modification, and that is ditching this lousy RV style accordion type window covering that makes a lot of noise. It tends to rattle quite a bit. I actually stuffed paper towels back here to quiet it down. The little corners always pop off. I gotta always dig for those and replace those. So I'm excited today to finally get rid of this thing and replace it with a new cool updated shade from the guys over at VanMade Gear. So I've been working with Simon for quite some time to come out with a window covering, not only for this window, but also for the opposite side on the slider door. I'll show you that one in a minute. But I wanted to kind of walk you through the installation of this covering. It's very similar to the nightstand that I worked with them on that product as well. They took measurements on my van and the window. And if you haven't seen that video, hit this link up there to check that out. That thing is awesome. It's totally organized the back bed area of our van. We've got, I think there's like 10 different pockets. I've got a great place to store my cell phone at night. You can put my sunglasses back there. I have a pair of AirPods back there as well. Just a whole variety of things that you can do to organize your gear in the back of the van and have a great window covering. Lots of versatility, but again, check out that video. So here's what we got in the front for you. This is our latest and greatest window shade. I don't know how good you can see this. That's gonna replace this guy. I'm gonna deinstall this and then walk you through the installation of this new window covering. So this is going to be versatile. You can set it up to have it roll up or roll down, however you like. And the reason being is that it's going to be fastened via Velcro strips. However, these Velcro strips, number one, this is a really hard plastic strip. We're not going to be using any type of adhesive that's going to fall off once it gets hot. These are going to be screwed into the side of the van. There's 4 of them, top, bottom, left, and right. I'll get these screwed in, and then we'll just attach this cool window covering by the Velcro strips on the back of it, and we'll be set to go. I'm thinking this will probably take me maybe 10 or 15 minutes, so let's get started. So there you have it. The old archaic window shade is history. New one is installed. Yes, took me maybe about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get this thing in, and haven't decided yet whether I want it in this configuration where we roll it down. So it rolls down and then you just roll it up. If you want to keep the screen open, you just roll it up. You've got these little tethers that will keep everything in place. And there you have it. And then if you want to open the screen, you can also unzip the screen as well. And in a similar fashion, this thing rolls down, has a similar type of security, but I think don't know why I'd ever keep that open. So there you go. That's in the roll down configuration. Give me a second. I'll flip this around and test it on the opposite method with it going up. All right, so here you have it in the opposite configuration, which is probably a little bit more traditional, where you've got the shade rolling up and stowed here. I don't know which one I like better, to be honest with you. Leave a comment, tell me what you guys think. So yeah, this thing's fantastic. The color matches the interior of the van perfectly. This thing is quite nice. I'm gonna like it. Down it goes for privacy. These zipper pulls are glow in the dark. Another nice advantage to it. There you go. There we got our privacy ready to go. Even though the seats here still have access back here to easily zip it up and down. That's it. Piece of cake install. You've got some, I think, some thermal qualities that'll keep some of that heat out. Have no idea what it might be rated at, but it does feel like it's got some thickness to it. Keep some of that heat or the cooler temperatures out in the wintertime. But man, I really like the look of that. So let's go to the opposite side of the van and work on getting the other window covering replaced. Here we go. All right, so filming this is terribly awkward. I want you to get the whole window here in the frame. But installation on this one is going to be very similar, although we're going to put a Velcro strip on the top here, screw it into the plastic sidewall, and then the frame, or the covering, will just go on this Velcro up on the top there. And then on the bottom, we've got magnets. So magnets will adhere to the steel frame. I'm going to clean this off with alcohol, make sure that these magnets adhere really well. There's about, four of them across the bottom, I think. So those will go on the bottom, and that way we'll be able to roll this window shade up as we're driving down the road. I like to be able to see out this window and then just roll it down when we want the privacy. So let's get this one going. I think this is going to take probably less than 10 minutes. So the installation is complete. I just ran, I think about 5 screws up in the top here. Quite simple to get to. Adhered 4 magnets across the bottom. And there you have it. The shade is in place. And now when it's time to roll it up, just reach in, roll this guy up nice and tight. Comes with these really unique little clasps. I think I feel a little bit of magnetism in there, but I don't know. They just snap into place. Voila, you're up. So I might just tuck these in, keep them from moving around. And now we're ready to hit the road, and we got good visibility looking over my shoulder, looking out this window. So yeah, I am super satisfied. This is a major upgrade for us, especially this side window covering over here near our jump seats. That's going to be a huge advantage for us. Again, leave a comment whether you think it should be configured up or down. Give me your thoughts. I'd love to hear back from you on these. I think they're going to work out great. When it's time to get some privacy, these things just pop off. Again, these clever little latches just pop off. This thing rolls right down, stays in place with the magnets, and now we've got our evening privacy and we're ready to go. So yeah, this thing's gonna be cool. I'm really excited about it. Love the way that it looks, much more custom van-like. We have a Jayco terrain. These will fit the Jayco terrain and the Entegra launches out there. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description to the website so you can get some more information or pick up a set for yourself. VanMade Gear, you guys continue to knock it out of the park. You're doing great. I really enjoyed collaborating with you, Simon, and your team, and look forward to new products that you have coming down the road. So this problem's been solved. What's going to be our next upgrade? I've got something in store for you coming up. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit that like button. That really helps the channel. And we hope to see you out on the trail sometime soon. Take care, everybody.